In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Canva. First things first, you'll want to open up Canva on your preferred device. You can do this on your computer or through Canva's mobile app. The steps are quite similar, so don't worry if you switch between devices. Once you've accessed Canva, make sure that you're logged into your Canva account. If you're using Canva for the first time today, and you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick, easy, and free. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. You'll notice a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your control center for all great designs you're about to create. Look for the section called Uploads in that panel. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can upload files directly from your device. But we want to focus on linking your Google Drive, so ignore the upload button for now. Instead, what you're going to do is scroll down this left-hand panel until you find the option labeled More. Clicking on More will open up a dialog box or a new page depending on your device. Here, you'll see a variety of other apps and integrations that Canva supports. It's quite an impressive collection, but stay focused. Start looking for an icon that says Google Drive. Once you've located Google Drive, click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account if you haven't already done so in your browser or on your device. Enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, keeping your account secure is important, so only authorize apps and integrations from trusted sources like Canva. Once you've logged in, Google will prompt you to allow Canva to access your Google Drive. This step is crucial because it allows Canva to pull through the files you have stored in your drive. Don't worry though, Canva only has access to the files you personally choose to use in your designs. Tap Allow to finish the linking process. Now, you should see your Google Drive appears as an option within Canva's upload menu. This means you've successfully linked the two platforms. When you want to use a file from Google Drive in Canva, simply click on Google Drive from the upload menu. You can browse through your files, select what you need, and then import them directly into your Canva design. It's seamless and convenient, especially if you have files scattered across different platforms. That brings us to the end of the linking process. With Google Drive now integrated with Canva, you've streamlined your workflow and have easy access to a variety of resources right at your fingertips. It's a fantastic way to augment your creative toolbox and make your design process more efficient. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Happy designing!